Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. In this video, we'll talk about the preparation strategy for technical interviews of service-based companies like Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, Accenture, DXC, Capgemini, Infosys, etc. So let us quickly move on to the strategy. Number one, prepare your CV well. The CV should not exceed 2 pages. It should not be more than 2 pages. Be careful about that. In your CV, mention the subjects, projects, and internships, languages, or certifications only in which you are confident. Okay? Mention the certifications you have done and you're prepared to answer questions on. Be prepared to answer questions because you will be definitely be asked questions on the certifications you have done, on the projects you have made, on the subjects you have mentioned, on the internships you have done, on the languages that you have mentioned in your CV. So be prepared to face questions on everything that you have mentioned in your CV. Also, if you want a CV template, connect with me on Instagram. I'll send you the template. Okay? Next, projects. Prepare well for at least one of your projects. It is okay if you have not done any major project. You can also mention about any minor project also. So, uh, prepare for the technologies you have used in your project, like if you have used Flutter, if you have used HTML, CSS, whatever. Your contribution in your project. What have you done in that project? Future scope of your project, problem faced during your project, and how did you think about that project? Okay, how did you come to the conclusion that you'll make this project? Okay, also if you know in and out about your project or projects, mention it in your introduction. It is one of the tactic to direct the flow of your interview towards your project. If you are very confident in your project, you can mention it in your introduction. Okay, always remember it is you who decides the direction and flow of your interview. If suppose you are asked any question on Python, you can say that I am more comfortable in C or Java or C++. Okay, you can direct your interview in your direction. Okay, remember that. Coming to the subject of interest, for CS students, data structure and DBMS are expected to be there. It is okay if you don't know any of these. You can add operating system and computer networks if you have studied it well. For other branches, you can add your core subjects only if you're 100% confident in. Make sure to add 2 or 3 subject of interest in your CV. Okay. One quick tip here would be to add object-oriented programming in your subject of interest. Why? Because questions asked on OOPS are very limited and very easy. Okay, you will get questions like what are the 4 pillars of OOPS, what is exceptional handling, what is the difference between exception and error, real life examples of the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming. You can just Google interview questions on OOPS and you will get different sites like tutorials point, Java T point, GFG. You can go through the questions and you'll definitely face the same questions in the interview. Okay, the questions asked on OOPS are very easy. Next, languages known, that is computer proficiency. C is expected from all the branches because C is taught in the first year to all the branches, so it is expected from all the branches. You should know C. Okay, if you know Python or Java or C++, you can add it. Also keep in mind that you might be asked to write codes in the languages you have mentioned in your CV. Suppose you have mentioned C and C++. So you will be asked to write one code in C and another in C++. So keep in mind all these things before making your CV. Be honest because the interviewer will see your honesty in your CV. If you know any language a little bit, suppose Java, you know Java little bit, do mention that you are a beginner in that language and you're still learning it. Okay. Also practice basic codes like prime number, leap year, how to find a palindrome of a string or a number, reverse of a number, sum of the digits of a number or Armstrong number, etc. Practice these basic codes because you might be asked to code in front of the interviewer. Okay. Most importantly, last but not the least, do research about the company before sitting for the interview. Okay, you should read about the CEO of that company, where is the headquarters, number of employees currently working in that company, technologies on which the company works on, and the bond period, the bond that you will sign with the company as a fresher. before joining the company. Okay. In the next video, I'll share the HR interview preparation strategy and some interview experiences. Also, I'll try to share my HR interviews experience of Wipro. Till then, like, subscribe, and share my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon too. And thank you for watching.